everyone, welcome to another cooking video. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and click the subscribe button and click the notification button so that when we do, you'll know about it. So today, I'm making a recipe by myself. There was a video recently posted on Dr. Gundry's YouTube channel called Dr. Gundry's Tangy Ranch Dip. Now, I haven't had but very much ranch dip since being on this diet, so the idea that there might be one we can make that's Plant Paradox approved got me very curious. So I'm like, I need to make this recipe. So if you want the short 1-minute how-to video, go check it out on Dr. Gundry's channel. If you're looking to see how much effort is this actually to make, how long does it take me, and then does it actually taste good, that's the purpose of this video. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first off, there was a lot of people who were curious about this yogurt. Where can you find plain coconut yogurt, unsweetened? And this is a brand that you can find in a lot of places. I found it in our natural grocer. That's the name of the brand if you have one of those chains nearby. I've also seen it in just regular grocery stores, and Whole Foods usually carries it. If you go to their website, I think they list all of the places where they carry it. First thing we need to do is to mince 2 garlic cloves. That just squeezes it right through, and then you can scrape it off. Okay, so the next thing it's called for is flat leaf parsley, and then it says to chop up a 1/4 cup of this. Try and mince it without chopping my fingers. I'm not even looking at the knife because, you know, I watch cooking videos and I've learned how to chop without chopping your fingers. I don't particularly care for the smell of parsley. I mean, it just doesn't smell good to me. It smells like a tire. All right, so then we're gonna put the 1/4 cup of parsley here in the bowl. All right, next up is 2 tablespoons of minced dill. I'm learning how to crack eggs with one hand. I'm learning how to chop dill. I told Jen we're ordering chef coats because, you know, we cook so much, I feel like a chef, so I'm gonna wear a chef coat instead of an apron. That will be coming soon. That is about 1 tablespoon. So I'll put that in there, but I need 2 tablespoons of this stuff, so that looks pretty close to a tablespoon, so we'll throw that in there. All right, next up, we have 2 tablespoons of chives. There's 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Okay, next up is we have a small shallot. I don't know how you say that, shallot, little tiny onion thing. Kind of funny because I think all shallots, or however you call these. Somebody will tell me in the comments how you say this. They're all kind of small, so I need to mince one of these guys up. And in case you're wondering, yes, they do make you cry. If you've never cut shallots before, they do make you cry because they are an onion. So I'm just really happy to see you guys right now. And I just want to share with you how emotional it makes me when you come and watch my cooking videos. Oh man, I am tearing up bad. You know, it's probably a good idea that I just close my eyes and cut. See, that's where the cutting with, you know, just by feel. See, now I don't have to, look how good I am. I impress myself. I don't have to cry, I don't have to look foolish on camera. I'm just cutting by feel. All right, that's the secret on not crying. Oh man. All right, let's get rid of this thing. Oh my gosh, look at my eyes, seriously, that was bad. All right, that's what we got so far, and I gotta go cry now. All right, no, I'm not gonna take a break because I'm showing you how long this takes. And if you were cooking in the kitchen and you had a hungry family, you would not be taking a break either. So I'm not gonna take a break either. Woo! Okay, so next up we have a teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm just gonna kinda do a Jan technique and eye it. Since I can see so well right now, because I've been crying. Half teaspoon of paprika. 1/4 teaspoon of mustard powder. Sprinkle that in there. So next up, we have zest of half of a lemon and the juice of half of a lemon. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this lemon in half. Use a little zesting tool, or if you don't have one of these, you can use your cheese grater, that rough side of the cheese grater. All right, there's our lemon zest. Next up, I'm gonna juice this thing. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix this stuff all together. So it says to go ahead and let it sit for 10 minutes so that the shallots that I chopped up so they won't be as sharp. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I just wanted to let you know for a time check, so far it's taken me about 20 minutes. So it's taken a little bit of time to do this because of all the prep work and chopping and things like that. So anyway, we'll check back in 10 minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes have been up and that gave me just enough time to clean up. So first of all, we need a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Oh, a little bit more than more or less a 1/2 teaspoon. And then 1.5 cups of the yogurt. I've got 1.5 cups here. And if you've not used coconut yogurt before, one thing you'll notice, if you just saw me, I just opened it up and poured it in. I haven't really found that I need to stir it like you do with regular milk yogurt. So that's kind of nice. So I'm going to put 1.5 cups of that in. And then we'll go ahead and stir it all up. All right, so then I'm going to add a little bit of this vinegar. And it just says as needed, so I'm just going to add a few drops like that and see. I think I got the right amount of vinegar in, so I don't think I'm going to put any more of that in. Salt tastes about right. And I'm not telling you how it tastes yet, because I'm going to wait for that. But I do have some coconut milk here, and I might add just a little bit of coconut milk. But then again, it seems, I don't know, maybe I don't need it. I think the coconut milk is to if it's too thick, to kind of add that in, and I think that yogurt is just about the right consistency without everything mixed. So now we're gonna do a real taste test. So I'm gonna bring in some taste testers and we're gonna get a bunch of different opinions. So let's do that next.
Hey, what's up, you guys?
Yep, they're here to taste test. So you guys know Tasha, if you've watched any of our other videos. This is our daughter, and this is we call her my other daughter. Mm-hmm. This is Bailey, and she's Tasha's friend, and she's never taste tested for us before.
Yeah.
So, first of all, do you guys like ranch dressing?
I don't use vegetable dip.
So there you go.
I've honestly never had ranch because it smells so weird.
Tasha, what about you?
For me, it really depends on the ranch. Like, I love Thousand Island, and I kind of like, Italian dressing. Well, that's not ranch, but anyways, that's off topic.
Okay. And
I'm good with ranch. I'm okay with it. We're good.
Okay. And I love ranch. So now you're getting a pure test from someone who doesn't even really know what ranch tastes like. Someone who sort of likes ranch, and I love ranch. So this is the lengths we go to test these recipes for you. So since I like ranch, I'll go first.
Okay.
And I don't eat broccoli because it bothers my gut. I have Crohn's disease, if this is the first video you've ever watched. But I will eat a carrot. Here we go. I actually like it. I mean, it doesn't taste like ranch dip like I'm used to, but if you just said, hey, we've got this new vegetable dip, give it a try, I would taste it and go, oh yeah, I could eat that.
So I'm gonna try it with the broccoli.
Okay.
Gotta get on my little tree there. Ooh. It's like I'm eating like a pickled broccoli or something. I don't know, I'm getting a lot of pickle like vibe.
Yeah, that's the dill.
I don't like pickles either, so
Oh, there you go.
I'm gonna try it with a carrot though.
But you didn't gross out. She's grossed out on other stuff, so.
Yeah. I mean, it's just like, it took me by surprise a little bit, but.
So maybe if you don't like dill that much as well, I love pickles, by the way, when I used to eat them. And,
I actually like it better with the carrot.
oh really? Okay, that's good to know. All right, Bailey, you're up.
Okay.
Carrot or broccoli?
I'll go with carrot because
That's what everybody else liked
that's
it
what
with.
that's what everybody else liked it with. So I'm gonna jump on the bandwagon.
Come on, dive in there. There you go.
Here we go. Oh, that's a little. There we go. Oh wow, that's a lot on there.
How do you feel about pickles?
I don't like pickles.
So she doesn't like pickles
I've
or ranch.
never had pickles.
There's a garbage right over there in case you need to spit it out.
Oh, that's good to know. Okay. Why am I
Take a little
sniffing it?
nibble.
I'm just gonna.
Oh, wow. That was brave.
It's actually really good. I should buy that.
If you were somewhere and you tried it and you didn't know what it was or if it was healthy, would you eat it again?
Yeah, I would eat it again.
Oh, wow. Wow, there you
Just
go.
don't try it with the broccoli, then you might not
Yeah.
eat it.
It's actually really good. It does take a while to make. It took me probably between 35 and 40 minutes to make. So it is a little bit time consuming, but you know, the nice thing about this is I'm sure you can just refrigerate it and keep it for a while. And it made enough probably to fill 2 of these. Anyway, thanks again for joining and thanks for watching. We appreciate your support and we'll see you next time.